Now let's do an experiment. With a plastic bottle here, we have a 5-liter plastic bottle. We're gonna put carbide in it, add water, tighten it well, make a hole here, make a hole here. So that about half the bottle stands upright. And then we put this bucket on top to see if it throws the bucket up. We pour water in here. Let's add a little more. That's enough. Now we squeeze like this since I don't have time. Let's add another piece. Another one from here. It's too big. Let's see how the heck it breaks into pieces. Done. He's arrived at the scene. Come on, now it's starting to harden. Look. Let's see if he'll learn from this. Let's go back. It's going to take a while until... Let's see what happens now. Down, down, the war's coming down.
You should have stopped for a bit.
I'm scared, damn it. I'm really scared because you never know what might happen. Here. I got so scared.
Hey, get out of here.
He keeps us on edge, man. It's Neapolitan style. I should have put it on a tripod to film. Are you crazy?
No, it takes a while until...
I'm curious. Does it explode loudly?
Go and check.
Yeah, you go.
What if it doesn't blow up?
But it has to explode. It's impossible. It's impossible. Get out of here, man! But it was filmed badly.
You're stupid.
I tried it with the bucket, but it didn't seem to go off properly. Now we're going to try one more time with the concrete mixer. Let's see how it's going to bang loudly like that. Come here for a bit, Vlad. You hold it, hold it. Are you holding it there? Hey, pay attention here. It's going to blow. Who can give me a light? One more time. Here you go. Here you go. Good. Hey, where's the thread? Here you go. One more time, boys. Let it be heard in the mountains and valleys. And one more time, boys. Let it be heard in the mountains and valleys. Because that's how good people drink. From Saturday to Monday. From Saturday to Monday. That's how good people drink. Come on, make some noise. Look what's here. Green leaf of the bean. Hey! And once again, boys,